Nikam, senior advocate, was the public prosecutor in the 2611 case, and on Kulbhushan Jadhav, Mr. Nikam, knows the case inside out. Mr. Nikam, what do you make of this decision, or rather the announcement or claim made by Pakistan? They claim, Mr. Nikam, that he does not want a review petition. The ICJ said Pakistan must ensure that he gets a review petition. They're saying he has refused a review petition. I mean, how is that even possible? Mr. Nikam, yeah, we can hear you, sir.
Yeah, I can hear you now.
Are you convinced?
See,
yeah, go ahead.
Absolutely, I'm not convinced. This is Pakistan's dubious move. Pakistan has clearly floated orders of the ICJ. Not only that, Pakistan has in fact committed the contempt of the order of the ICJ, because ICJ in its clear verdict has said that Pakistani authorities should give the consular access in its spirit. And whatever the consular access which they are given to the Kulbhushan Jadhav in the presence of the Pakistani authorities, which was not unexpected, because Pakistan's whole case is based on the so-called extracted confession of Mr. Kulbhushan Jadhav. Pakistan Evidence Act and Indian Evidence Acts are similar, and according to the Pakistan Evidence Act, if confession is extracted by force and it was not out of free will, or it is obtained under coercion, then such confession cannot be taken into consideration. It is an inadmissible evidence. And exactly Pakistan authorities had apprehended while giving a consular access to Mr. Kulbhushan Jadhav. If Mr. Kulbhushan Jadhav would come out that under what circumstances the so-called confession was taken out, then definitely India would have taken a strong stand that such confession should not be taken into consideration. Now, this is a dubious move of Pakistan, because now, yes, I understand. Let me complete within 1 minute.
No, you complete, sir. Can you just move your phone a little bit away from your face so that we can see you clearly? And please continue.
Yes. Now it is clear?
Yes.
Now, because the Pakistan authorities are now saying that Mr. Kulbhushan Jadhav doesn't want to prefer review petition, but he would like to apply for the mercy petition. Again, this is a very nasty move, I would say, because by saying so in the mouth of Mr. Kulbhushan Jadhav, Pakistan wants to project that Mr. Kulbhushan Jadhav is admitting his guilt and therefore is praying for mercy. So I personally feel India should again knock the doors of the ICJ, so that ICJ should intervene in this state.
Yeah, I think Rhythm, my colleague, has a question for you. Rhythm, go ahead.
Mr. Nikam, several times over when this case has come up, we've seen how by a 15-1 verdict, India won there. We've also heard Mr. Salve clearly come out and state that when this case was going on, there were back-channel talks also now being held with Pakistan. The fact that the Additional Attorney General today says that review and reconsideration is something Jadhav has rejected, it's a clear lie. First, in 2017, you try and send a man to the gallows, and then when it comes to review and reconsideration, you don't give him consular access, and then you come out with a statement. What is this a clear hint of? Are they trying to say that they are going to try and do something flouting the ICJ orders is my biggest concern that we wanted to air here, sir.
See, Pakistan wants to project before the globe. They are trying to follow the order of the ICJ. This is number one. Number two, in any case, Pakistani authority wants that the real truth should not come to surface. See, this is not the first case where the Pakistan is doing all these things. I may remind you, even after the apprehension of Mr. Ajmal Kasab, on 26 November 2008, immediately Pakistani authorities said that Kasab is not another national.
Pakistan, yes, he's a resident of Faridabad, and then Pakistani authorities has admitted, yes, he's our national. This is not the first thing. Secondly, when Mr. General Parvez Musharraf, he was the president of Pakistan when he visited Agra, Then he said Dawood Ibrahim is not staying in the Pakistan. But when US has pointed out, yes, he's very much staying in Pakistan, and they have declared a huge reward, then Pakistani authorities have admitted, yes, he's in Karachi. But this is all the tactics Pakistan is going to play. Now we have to see that how entire the globe should be aware of it. Because Pakistan is deliberately made this movement at this juncture because the China is having some sore, and therefore we will require to see whether this is a conspiracy between two other our foreign enemies or not. That will require to check up.
Mr. Nikam, Jadhav is not a terrorist. Kulbhushan Jadhav is not a terrorist. And the point is, is under China's pressure,
Yes.
diplomatically, this seems to be an attempt by Pakistan to use Kulbhushan as a diplomatic pawn against India under China's influence. Do you have any doubts about that, Mr. Nikam? See the timing of it.
Absolutely. I have no doubt this is a pressure mounting with the aid of the China, because at this stage, when Mr. Kulbhushan Jadhav has never said that, yes, I don't want to challenge this order, how this could have happened? This can't happen at all. Because when Mr. Kulbhushan Jadhav was allowed to meet his parents and even the Indian authorities, it was in the presence of the Pakistani authorities. But China is doing all these type of tactics with the assistance of Pakistan, and therefore will require to make certain moves in this matter very seriously.
Okay. The story is getting bigger. Rhythm, you were reporting from the ICJ and Pakistan. Was there a timeline that was given, Rhythm, for the review? Was there a timeline that was given? Because the timing is most suspicious.
No, they did not allow the review.
Yeah.
Yes. It was in July when the ICJ, Niranjan, in July when the order had come in 2019, it was very clear that the ICJ, while staying the execution, had told Pakistan there will be no execution of Kulbhushan Jadhav. They had stated consular access has to be given, which was a point that went in India's favor. But it is exactly a year now, and consular access has not been provided in the right manner. Remember, he was captured in 2016 March. It is exactly 4 years and I would say 2 months to that incident that he's been captured, and now they say review and reconsideration will not happen. This is very clearly a man who's been harassed, a man who's been tortured. He was once, his family, his wife and mother went to meet him. The way they were treated, their whatever they were wearing was removed, their shoes were removed, their sindoor and their bangles, and the way the Indians were treated was atrocious. It was spoken about. When India challenges at the International Court of Justice, what went in India's favor was first the ICJ suspended the death penalty. Today our main concern is when India is now being told that the review and reconsideration has been rejected by Kulbhushan Jadhav. What is the ulterior motive of Pakistan? Why is this timing has to be seen? And also ICJ directed Pakistan to take all measures to ensure that Jadhav is not executed pending the final decision in the present proceedings. So what are they trying to say? Are they trying to say that now Kulbhushan Jadhav has rejected a review petition? It is only a mercy plea that will happen. Thirdly, the ICJ noted Pakistan breached its obligations under Article 36 of the Vienna Convention on Consular Relations. Mr. Nikam, you continue to be with us. The only thing we want to get a sense of from you, other than the treacherous ulterior motives of Pakistan, is Kulbhushan Jadhav has been in captivity for 4 years. Now, if the review application is not given to him, how should India be moving ahead?
Yeah, legally, what are the options?
See, according to me, it's a clear violation of the order of the ICJ. It's a clear contempt of the order of the ICJ, because ICJ in its clear term has said that Pakistan should give a consular access in its true spirit. True spirit means, the consular access means the concerned arrested person should be allowed to meet the nation's people in confidence, so that the arrested person can divulge all such facts under what circumstances he was arrested. But this can't happen because at the time of the consular access, which was in a complete drama, the Pakistani authorities were present. So Mr. Kulbhushan Jadhav could not divulge the real fact. So therefore, we'll require to challenge before the ICJ, and we'll require to ask the ICJ that against the consular access, which was not allowed to be given because Pakistan is pretending and playing a new card. This is one aspect. Second aspect is that now, assuming for the sake of the argument that Mr. Kulbhushan Jadhav has asked for mercy, before whom he has to ask for mercy? Because he has been convicted by an army court. Therefore, army chief will have only right to give the mercy or not, even not the Pakistan Prime Minister. And therefore, I have a total apprehension that this is a whole drama. This is a nasty movement, move played by the Pakistani authority, because this Pakistan army chief is not going to pardon him at all. And therefore, I think India will require to take this matter very seriously, will require to exploit all the possible options. And I'm very confident that this time also ICJ will give a strong relief in our favor.
Yeah, let's see where the story goes. Rhythm, Mr. Ujjwal Nikam, Rhythm and Tejinder, thank you for joining us on this breaking news broadcast. It's going to be another long battle against Pakistan on Kulbhushan Jadhav, and India will go all out, do whatever it takes to ensure that Kulbhushan Jadhav gets justice. Taking a short break. Stay tuned.